Hey guys, welcome to Magnolia Springs in Semmes, Alabama. Semmes is just west of Mobile, Alabama. This is one of the most affordable D.R. Horton gold fortified homes. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with the 2-car garage. This community offers a community pool, a private clubhouse, and a playground for the kids. Guys, this home is perfect for a young family. It's a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance policy. And D.R. Horton is paying for your interest rate buy down to 5.75. See the flyer at the end of the video for details. And don't forget, they are also paying up to $3,000 towards your buyer's closing costs. Call today for your private showing. Frankie Wink, 251-234-9919.